Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Krishna says, those who are constantly 24 hours engaged in Krishna's service, just like these students, the member of Krishna Consciousness Society, you will find them 24 hours engaged in Krishna's service. That is the, significance of Krishna consciousness. They are always engaged. This Ratha Yatra ceremony is one of the items, so that at least one day all of you will be able to be engaged in Krishna consciousness. So this is only practice. And if you practice throughout your whole life, then at the time of death, if you can fortunately remember Krishna, your life is successful. That practice is required. Jang jang vapi smaran loke tajantante kalevaram. We have to give up this body, that is certain. But at the time of death, if we remember Krishna, immediately we are transferred to the abode of Krishna. Krishna is everywhere. Still, Krishna has got a special abode, which is called Goloka Vrindavan. You can understand that our body means the senses, and above the senses there is the mind, which is very subtle, which is controlling the senses, and above the mind there is intelligence, and above the intelligence there is soul. We have no information, but if we practice this Bhakti Yoga system, gradually you will understand what I am. I am not this body. These, generally, even big scholars, big philosophers, scientists, they are also in the concept of this body. Everyone is thinking I am the body. That is mistake. We are not this body. Just I explained. Body means the senses. But the senses are controlled by the mind. And the mind is controlled by the intelligence. And intelligence is controlled by the soul. That you do not know. There is no educational system throughout the whole world. How to understand the existence of soul, which is the prime necessity of understanding for the human being. A human being is not meant for wasting his time like animals, simply eating, sleeping, mating and defending. That is animal life. The extra intelligence of human beings should be utilized. How to understand I am what I am. I am spirit soul. If we understand that I am spirit soul, then this bodily concept of life, which has played havoc in this world, and the bodily concept of life, I am thinking I am Indian, you are thinking American, he is thinking something. But we are all one. We are spirit soul. We are all eternal servant of Krishna, Jagannath. So, today is a very nice, auspicious day. On this day, Lord Krishna, when he was present on this earth, he attended a solar eclipse ceremony at Kurukshetra, and Krishna along with his brother Balaram and Subhadra, sister, came to visit the Kurukshetra field. The Kurukshetra land is still present in India. If someday you go to India, you will find that Kurukshetra land is there. So, this Ratha Yatra ceremony is performed in commemoration of Krishna's visiting Kurukshetra with his brother and sister. So, Lord Jagannath, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was in ecstasy. He was in the mood of loving spirit like Radharani. So, he was thinking, Krishna, please come back again to Vrindavan. She was dancing before the Ratha Yatra, and you will understand if you read some of the books published by you, published by our society. One of the book is known as Teachings of Lord Chaitanya. It is a very important book. If you want to learn this Krishna consciousness movement, we have got enough books. You can scientifically and philosophically study. But if you have no inclination to study, if you simply take to this chanting of Hare Krishna, gradually everything will be revealed unto you and you will understand your relationship with Krishna. I thank you very much for participating in this ceremony. Now let us chant Hare Krishna and proceed with Jagannath Swami. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.